Anytime I see her, I can't control it. Have a car boom boom, make her feel like touch it.
Hi madam, welcome to DNAX Special Foods. Please, what do you care for?
Thank you. Please, I'm here to meet someone but he's not yet here, so you just get me a cup of coffee, let me wait for him.
Okay madam, please have a seat and give me a minute to get back to you with your special order.
Alright.
Excuse me. Sorry madam, is the person you are waiting for still not here?
No my dear, I don't even know what's keeping him. He told me to meet him here at 5:30 p.m. It's almost 7 and still not showing up. I'm so bored.
Ah. Sorry ma. Let me know in case you need anything.
Okay. Thank you so much, I really appreciate your service.
You are welcome.
Please, he's not coming. I guess so, I want to take my leave now. And my bill.
Sorry for that. Please, I have already taken care of the bill.
Really? You did?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for everything.
Don't mention sweetheart. It's nothing to me.
You are such a darling. Anyway, I'm Mercy.
Jay Bosco.
Alright, have a good night. See you some other time.
Yeah, sure. Take care and be safe.
Alright. Bye.
Oh my god. This girl is too beautiful. I didn't even get the heart to ask for her contact. So now how do I go about it? Damn!
Bosco, who are you talking to? I heard voices and it's only you here.
Sister, it's about someone special I met at our shop today, just this evening. She had a date but the person didn't pass through. She was so bored and felt disappointed.
So what's your business on her date? You every single day meet someone special. My friend, go freshening up and join me at the dining table.
Okay my lovely sister.
Mercy, you are back already? How was it? Very bad day, could you believe he didn't come? I called him several times but he didn't answer. I don't believe he can call me again. In fact, I'm blocking his line. That's a really bad day for you. Blocking him won't be necessary. What if something happened on his way to your place? If that. Why didn't he call to inform me? Then disappointed me? If not for the waiter, the day will have been worse than this. We have been chatting on WhatsApp for years now, just today being the first time to see each other he failed me. I now understand how you feel. Sorry.